Hey y'all, here's how to make this cute floral wall hanger for spring. So we're starting off with this wood bead wreath, and you can usually find these at Dollar Tree. It's by the Crafter's Square brand. And I'm using a canvas bag for this as well, but you can also just use some fabric if you just have some fabric on hand. So I'm just kind of marking where I want the bag to go over my wooden beads, so about halfway up our wooden bead wreath. So then we're left with this little pocket, and that's what we're going to sit our wooden bead wreath down into. And then we're just going to take our hot glue gun and glue right along the edges so that it secures onto the wooden bead wreath. Then it's just a matter of gluing the fabric and kind of tucking it around the wood bead wreath on the bottom. This will be the back side of it, so it doesn't have to be super pretty. We're also going to cover this in chiffon ribbon as well. So I get this chiffon ribbon from Amazon. I will have that link down below for you guys. This is the ivory color. It's really pretty, super soft. And we're just going to take this and kind of offset layer it around our entire bottom of our little wreath here. So I just wrap one layer around, and then I glue it down on the back side of it, and then just wrap another layer around and kind of just offset it a little bit so that the little fuzzy edges of our chiffon ribbon is kind of overlapping midway through each layer. So this is how it looks so far. We're just going to finish it off by gluing that last piece across the bottom on the back side. So you'll see some of the edges are sticking out, so now what we're going to do is just kind of tuck and glue those onto the back side of our wall hanger. And just keep in mind, it doesn't have to be perfect, y'all. Just make sure the front looks cute, and that's all that really matters. The back side we're not even going to see, as we're just going to hang that against the wall. So now you'll have a little pocket that you can tuck your floral down into, and I'm using a mix of floral from Dollar General and a few pieces of dried floral that I got from Solarwood Flowers. And you can just leave it like this if you want to. I wanted to add a little ribbon to it. This ribbon I got from Amazon, and I will link that down below for you guys as well. I think it gave it a nice warm and rustic look and just kind of tied it all together. And I'm just going to take another little piece of the ribbon and just glue it into like a little circle, and then we're just going to tie a piece of twine around that to make a little mini bow out of it. This is a super simple way you can make a cute little bow. Forgive me if my voice has kind of cracked through this. I am a little sick right now, so I'm trying to clear it as much as possible for this video. So we're just going to glue that right onto the front, right over top of our ribbon. And I think it just turned out so cute. I'm just absolutely in love with this. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.